If your credit cards are piling up, minimum payments are eating half your salary, and you feel like you're just spinning plates, you're not reckless, you're just caught in how modern debt is designed to work against you. But there's a way to take back control, and it starts by understanding how a debt consolidation loan can actually save you money when you know where to look. At RadCred, we've seen thousands of Americans try to fight multiple debts at once, only to realize that one strategic move can do what 5 random payments never could. The problem isn't lack of discipline, it's lack of guidance. That's why our entire platform exists, to help you do the research, find lenders who respect your situation, and make sure your next loan works for you, not against you. Here's how a debt consolidation loan works. You take a single new loan to pay off several high-interest ones, like credit cards or payday balances. Instead of juggling 5 bills and 5 interest rates, you now have one predictable monthly payment, ideally with a lower rate. Done right, this can reduce your stress, simplify your finances, and even save you thousands over time. But here's the catch. Most people jump at the first offer that sounds easy. They skip companies' APRs and they ignore hidden fees. And in trying to fix their debt, they end up extending it. And that's why RadCred doesn't just show you loans, we show you context, what your total costs look like, how your term length changes your real savings. Because in debt, details are the difference between relief and relapse. RadCred isn't here to sell you a dream, we're here to simplify reality. You enter your details and our AI scans through verified US lenders that offer debt consolidation and debt relief options, even for people with bad credit. It filters out the noise, the predatory lenders, the confusing fine print, and presents only legitimate offers that match your profile. Here's what that means in practice. You compare lower monthly payment options side by side. You can see how consolidating credit cards changes your payoff timeline. You can choose a plan that fits your cash flow instead of crushing it. It's financial research made effortless, so you can act confidently and not impulsively. Debt isn't a failure, it's feedback. The system's designed to make borrowing easy and understanding hard. RadCred was built to flip that equation, to give you clarity, leverage, and confidence. So before you sign another payment slip, visit radcred.com. Check your debt consolidation options and see what your savings could look like, and let knowledge, not anxiety, decide your next step. Click below to explore your offers, research smarter, borrow better. That's what we do at RadCred.